Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited because my first of my monthly beauty subscription services has arrived. My June 2020 IPSY GLAM bag is here and I'm so excited. I love my monthly beauty subscription packages. I get all of the IPSY versions. I get the $12 IPSY GLAM bag here. I get the $25 IPSY GLAM Bag Plus box, the $50 IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate box. Then I also get BoxyCharm and BoxyCharm Premium. And every single month I get just as excited to unbox them and unbag them. And then I always try out the makeup products in full dedicated review videos as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel and you like that type of content, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you're notified when I upload those unboxings, because I never really know when they're gonna get here, and that's also why I'm always so excited once they arrive. So I'll go ahead and open my IPSY GLAM bag. And so if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a customized monthly beauty subscription service. So you fill out a questionnaire and then you also give your feedback each month on the products that you get, so then it gets really tailored to your tastes. And I've been getting IPSY for a long time now, so the bags are really well curated to me. Oh my gosh, and this is so cute. Something that I love about IPSY, which is different than BoxyCharm, is you always get makeup bags. And this June bag is so cute. It's like little sunbathers, people at the beach. So here is what that looks like. I feel like it's so cute and unique. All right, so let's see what I got. So here is a card. Apparently IPSY has stopped giving product information on the cards, and then I end up just getting 3 of the same card. So I really don't feel like that's necessary. I feel like it's a waste. This month it has 5 tips on how to maximize your SPF, which I love sun protection, but I just could find out this information in an email or an app and that would be fine with me. If they're not gonna put product information, I feel like I don't need the card. So let's just move on to the products. Ooh, first off, I got Real Her Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. I have actually tried out a Real Her lipstick before. So the shade that I got this month is called Deep Mauve, and the color that I tried out before was called Sorry Not Sorry Rose Pink. So I can have my review video that I already did on the Real Her lipstick linked in the description down below, but I really like it. I also really love the brand Real Her. They put positive affirmations on all their products, which I think is just so sweet. So I'm excited to be able to try out another shade of the lipstick. So I will be doing the full dedicated review video on this, but why don't I just go ahead and do a little sneak peek with a swatch. It's also so cute and miniature. So let's see. Oh, such a beautiful creamy formula. When I love this shade, it gives me such like a classic mauve, neutral pink feel. It's so pretty, such great pigment. What's next? Ooh, this is actually the product that I chose. So IPSY lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags. I love that you get that option now. And this is from the brand First Aid Beauty. It's the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract, oil-free, safe for sensitive skin. But I love trying out primers, and I deal with the skin concern of large pores, especially along my cheeks and my nose. So I love trying out pore minimizing types of primers. And also First Aid Beauty is a great brand. I have not tried out that many of their products, but I feel like I'm always hearing so many good things about them. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I also got, oh, Shayna B Miami. Cute packaging. This is Eyeshadow Duo in the shades Winwood and Heat. I actually have the full size Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. And I think these are the same shades that came in that full palette. but look at how cute the packaging is. There's little flamingos in it, and I love these shades. You could totally do a full eyeshadow look with just these two shades. There's a matte shade and a shimmer shade, and so travel friendly, so cute. So I'm really excited to try this out. I liked my Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. That's another review video I can have linked in the description down below if you want to see that. All right, I've got 2 more products in here because I get 5 products in the $12 regular IPSY GLAM bag. Ooh, this is from the brand Sure Medic. I'm not familiar with this brand. I love trying out new brands, and it seems like I usually get a brand in my IPSY GLAM bag that I've never heard of before. So here's one. I've actually already heard of the other 3. Azulene Soothing Cream. So this just kind of seems like a moisturizer. It says at the last stage of your evening skincare routine, smooth gently over irritated area or entire face. So it has this ingredient called, oh, it's gonna be hard to pronounce, guaiacetylene, which helps protect the skin and reinforce skin barrier. It's kind of unclear on the packaging what the actual skin concern is that this is soothing, but I use a night cream every night, so I can try this out. It's not a product that I'm super excited or interested in. I don't really get it, and I much prefer makeup products. And then the last one, oh, this looks familiar. This is from Kat Von D, which I guess it's now called KVD, Vegan Cosmetics. I think there was like whole rebranding to Kat Von D, but this is the Lock-It Setting Powder in Translucent, and I actually have a little sample like this, and I use it very often. I love it. So that's another product that I already have done a full dedicated review video on that I can have linked in the description down below. So I feel like I've been getting IPSY so long that now I'm starting to get like not exactly repeat products, because these are not products that I've gotten before, but they're products that I've tried out in different forms or just throughout my makeup experience I've tried different colors of. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the products I got in this bag. I thought I was supposed to get at least $50 worth of products in my regular IPSY GLAM bag, and it does not seem like that's the case. They all seem to be miniature versions. I feel like I probably got $12 worth of products here. So I'll do another little recap. I got the Real Her Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Deep Mauve. Here's the swatch. I got the Super Medic Azulene Soothing Cream. And that's okay. I'm not like in need of a face cream, so I'm not super excited for that. But I am really excited about the First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I really hope this works well for my skin. I got the Shayna B Miami Eyeshadow Duo with the shades Wynwood and Heat. And then lastly, the KVD Lock-It Setting Powder. So these are good products, at least the products that I've tried out before, so that's really exciting to me. But I'm just, you know, I love makeup, I love trying out new things, so I wish I'd gotten a little bit more newness in this bag. But all of these are products that I will use, so that's always a good thing. So now I'd love to hear in the comments down below what you got in your IPSY GLAM bag. Also, if you have tried out any of these products, let me know what you think of them in the comments down below. And I think I also forgot to mention that at the end of the month, after I've tried out all of my products, all of my makeup products, I will do a full face makeup tutorial using all of these products that I got in my IPSY GLAM bags. So that's a really good way for me to catch you up on my thoughts on the products as I've been using them throughout the month. So definitely make sure you're subscribed, and thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you in the next one.